Hey guys, what is up? Today we'll show you how to use ChatSonic on the Opera browser for free. Enjoying our videos? Consider dropping a like or a sub. It only takes a second of your time and it helps the channel a lot. With that said, let's dive into the video. Alright, before we begin, I'm going to say that even if this video is specifically for Opera, this method works on all browsers. I repeat, it works in all of the browsers. It doesn't matter if it's Opera, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or on mobile. This all works the same way. So the first thing you need to do is open the Opera browser and go to google.com. In google.com, search for ChatSonic or WriteSonic. In the results, the very first website that's going to pop up is writesonic.com, which is the AI company, AI developer that created ChatSonic. So as you can see here, we've already went here. So what you need to do is go log in, right? And you're going to be brought to the library just like this. If you don't have a ChatSonic or WriteSonic account, register with your Google or Microsoft or Apple account, and it's the process is going to be very straightforward. So after you've done this, right? You could go to ChatSonic over here on the left side. It's gonna bring you to this page. So as you can see, it looks the same. Well, not the same. It looks very similar to ChatGPT's prompt. And as you can see, ask complex questions, create digital artwork, give voice commands, generate professional content. Like it actually does more than ChatGPT. The only downside to this, if you're using a free account, is that you have limited words. So as you can see, I'm very low on words. And this is for the free trial. If you want to use premium, you can just click upgrade, and it's gonna bring you to the premium account packages, as you can see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video. 3, 2, 1, and we'll see you on the next one.